Okay, now we will talk about Bisaya words. You're gonna tell me English words of food, and then I will tell you the Bisaya word for it.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay, you start.
Potato,
Patatas,
tomato,
kamatis,
prawn,
prawns, ulang. Ulang, can you say it?
ulang,
Yeah, ulang.
chips,
Chips? What do you mean chips? Like French fries chips?
French
or-
fries, French fries.
French fries. There's
The
no
same.
Bisaya for it. Like, it's French fries.
Sausage,
Sausage. Hot dog.
Hot dog.
No
That's
hot
stupid.
dog because it's Bisaya. We say it hot dog.
Really?
Yeah.
Cake,
Cake.
same.
Yeah, same. Broccoli.
Broccoli,
No, you don't say broccoli.
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 You say it the American way.
Yeah, there's no Bisaya for broccoli. It's
Well, that's
broccoli.
silly.
What about rice? Ask me about
How do you say rice?
rice kanon. Can you say it?
Can on.
Yeah.
I think that's about it.
Bread.
Oh, bread.
Bread is pan. Pan.
Pan. That's French is pan. Pan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
What about milk?
milk? Gatas.
Okay.
Say bye now.
Bye.
Can you say again what is the sausages?
Snags.
No, Bisaya.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot
Hot
dog.
dog.
So it's hot dog but hot dog.
Hot dog.
Bye.
Bye.